Make money online every day? Imagine waking up each morning to see your earnings grow effortlessly. You can. Tascade AI is your secret weapon. This powerful tool is designed to help you maximize productivity and efficiency, turning your daily tasks into profitable ventures. It's like having a helper who never sleeps. Tascade AI works around the clock, ensuring that your projects are always on track and your goals are within reach. Tascade AI helps you work smarter, not harder. By automating repetitive tasks and providing intelligent insights, it frees up your time to focus on what truly matters. Imagine this: you're on a beach, sipping lemonade. The sun is shining, the waves are gently crashing, and you're completely relaxed. Meanwhile, Tascade AI is making you money. This isn't a dream. With Tascade AI, you can achieve a perfect work-life balance, enjoying your free time while your AI assistant handles the workload. It's possible with the power of AI. Tascade AI leverages advanced algorithms and machine learning to optimize your tasks and boost your income potential. Ready to change your life? Let's go! Embrace the future of productivity and start making money every day with Tascade AI. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. Tascade AI is your new best friend. Imagine having a tool that not only understands your needs, but also anticipates them. Tascade AI is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their tech savviness. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just wants to stay organized, Tascade AI is here to help you streamline your tasks and boost your productivity. It's a powerful tool, but easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of Tascade AI. Its simple interface allows you to dive right in and start organizing your life. The AI learns from your habits and preferences, offering personalized suggestions to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Think of it as your virtual assistant. Tascade AI can handle a variety of tasks, from setting reminders to managing your calendar. It's like having a personal assistant who is always available, never takes a break, and is constantly learning how to serve you better. The AI can even help you prioritize your tasks, ensuring that you focus on what's most important. It helps you get organized and get things done. With Tascade AI, you can create to-do lists, set deadlines, and track your progress. The AI will send you reminders and updates, keeping you on track and motivated. It's like having a coach who is always there to encourage you and help you stay focused on your goals. Need to manage a project? Tascade AI can do it. Whether you're working alone or as part of a team, Tascade AI offers robust project management features. You can assign tasks, set milestones, and monitor progress in real time. The AI helps you coordinate with your team, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same objectives. Want to write better content? Tascade AI is here for you. The AI-powered writing assistant can help you brainstorm ideas, structure your content, and even suggest improvements. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a report, or creating content for your blog, Tascade AI provides the tools you need to write more effectively and efficiently. From planning your day to automating tasks, Tascade AI does it all. You can set up routines, automate repetitive tasks, and integrate with other tools you use daily. The AI takes care of the mundane, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. Imagine having more time to be creative, to think strategically, and to enjoy life. It's like magic, but better. Tascade AI brings the future to your fingertips, making your life easier and more organized. With its advanced capabilities and user-friendly design, it's not just a tool. It's a game changer. Experience the magic of Tascade AI and transform the way you work and live. Do you like helping people? Are you organized and reliable? Then you can be a virtual assistant. Tascade AI makes it easy. With Tascade AI, you can manage calendars like a pro, write emails that get results, schedule social media posts in advance. Businesses need your help, and you can offer it all with Tascade AI. Section 4. Monetize your skills. A simple plan. Turning your skills into cash is simple with Tascade AI. First, decide what you're good at. Calendar management, email marketing, social media. Next, set your prices. You can charge per hour or per project. Tascade AI helps you track your work and get paid easily. It's time to start earning. Section 5. Real People, Real Success with Cascade AI. In this section, we dive into the real stories of individuals who have transformed their lives using Cascade AI. These are not just testimonials, they are powerful narratives of change, growth, and success. From different walks of life, people have found a common thread in Cascade AI, which has empowered them to achieve their dreams and aspirations. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have experienced the magic of Cascade AI firsthand. These are real people with real stories and real success. They have seen their productivity soar, their incomes rise, and their lives change for the better. Cascade AI has become an integral part of their daily routines, helping them to streamline their tasks, manage their time more effectively, and ultimately achieve their goals. People are using Cascade AI to make over $2,000 per month. Imagine the possibilities when you can generate such an income from the comfort of your home. This isn't just about making money, it's about financial freedom, the ability to support your family, and the opportunity to invest in your passions. Cascade AI has opened doors for many, allowing them to explore new ventures and create multiple streams of income. They're ditching their 9-to-5 jobs and living life on their terms. No more long commutes, no more office politics, and no more being tied to a desk. With Cascade AI, people are finding the freedom to work when they want, where they want, and how they want. This newfound flexibility has enabled them to spend more time with their loved ones, pursue hobbies, and even travel the world while still earning a steady income. Cascade AI changed my life. This is a sentiment echoed by many of our users. The platform has not only provided them with financial benefits, but has also boosted their confidence and self-esteem. Knowing that they have a reliable tool to help them manage their tasks and projects has given them the courage to take on new challenges and push their boundaries. The sense of accomplishment they feel is truly priceless. I'm my own boss, and I make more money than ever before. Sarah J. Sarah's story is just one of many. She was once stuck in a dead-end job, feeling unfulfilled and underappreciated. But with Cascade AI, she found a way to turn her skills and passions into a profitable business. Now, she enjoys the freedom of being her own boss, setting her own hours and making decisions that align with her values and goals. Her success is a testament to the power of Cascade AI. I was skeptical at first, but Cascade AI is amazing. Many of our users started with doubts, unsure if Cascade AI could really deliver on its promises. But once they gave it a try, they were blown away by its capabilities. The intuitive interface, powerful features, and seamless integration with their existing workflows made it an indispensable tool. They quickly realized that Cascade AI was not just another productivity app, but a game changer that could revolutionize the way they work. It's so easy to use, and I'm finally earning passive income. John B. John was looking for a way to supplement his income without taking on another job. Cascade AI provided the perfect solution. With its user-friendly design and powerful automation features, John was able to set up passive income streams that required minimal effort to maintain. Now he enjoys a steady flow of income that allows him to focus on what he loves most. Cascade AI has truly been a game changer for him and many others. Section 6. Ready to earn? Start your Cascade AI journey today. What are you waiting for? Your dream life is just a click away. Start your free trial of Cascade AI today. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Join the thousands of people who are already using Cascade AI to unlock their true earning potential. Section 7. Take control of your future. Imagine waking up every day excited to work. Imagine having the freedom to travel, spend time with loved ones, and pursue your passions. This is the power of Cascade AI. Don't let your life pass you by. Take control of your future with Cascade AI. Start building your dream life today.